Hey everyone, I know I've been gone for a little while. Earlier this year, I was laid off from my job and I just needed a break from YouTube. After discussing it for a few years, the opportunity presented itself for me to join my boyfriend's real estate photography business. Over the last few months, I've dedicated my time to learning the industry and helping him grow his business. There was a lot of early mornings, busy days, late nights, and a lot of learning. It has been fun because we've gotten to see some really beautiful homes throughout the Philadelphia area and one that was even used for a movie. We've also met a lot of really nice real estate agents, and it has been really interesting traveling to a new location every day. Here are some of the places we've been. Hasn't all been real estate though. I also have had some time to relax, spend some time with the cats, and learn the editing side of things. And while I've been gone, I have been working on new recipes and planning on creating new videos soon.